This pumpkin prop is cool, but we need to make some improvements. We started by detaching the base of the pumpkin. We disconnected the original speaker it came with. The sound quality makes a big difference in how realistic a prop is. Be careful not to tear or rip any of the other components. A nicer speaker makes this pumpkin sound amazing. We reconnected the sound card to an aux cord. This one was taken from an old pair of headphones. We had to drill a hole for the cord to fit through the plastic base. Now this pumpkin needs a new look. The face sculpt was good, but the original paint job looked rushed. We darkened the eyes, mouth, and cracks with a dark green acrylic paint. The stem looks more realistic with a coat of brown. We also dry brushed the surface of the pumpkin skin with yellow. This gives depth and makes it seem more natural. Now, the pumpkin can be plugged into a speaker. A cheap one from Walmart will do the job.
Not much. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Welcome from the depths of the graveyard. Frightening, isn't it? Ah, you don't look so well. Are you part of the living dead?